you ever wondered how money actually works? Why some people build wealth while others struggle their whole life? Today, we're diving deep into the world of personal finance, and we're making it simple. This is Finance Made Easy, where your money journey begins. Money is more than just paper or numbers in a bank. It's a tool of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. Before money, people traded goods, apples for bread or fish for shoes. That's called barter. But it was messy, so humans created money, something everyone agrees has value. In modern times, we use fiat currency, meaning it has value because governments say so. And now, we're moving into digital money, credit cards, bank transfers, and even cryptocurrencies. But no matter the form, money is power, if you know how to use it. Let's talk about income. There are two main types, active income and passive income. Active income comes from your job. Like working at a company or freelancing, you trade your time for money. Passive income comes from investments, like stocks, real estate, or royalties. It keeps flowing even when you sleep. The goal? Build multiple streams of income, especially passive ones, to create financial freedom. Now that you're earning, what do you do with it? You budget. A budget is simply a plan, telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs like rent, food, bills. 30% for wants like fun, travel. 20% for saving or debt repayment. Budgeting helps you spend with intention and avoid the trap of living paycheck to paycheck. Let's face it, most people use credit, but is debt always bad? Not necessarily. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt helps you grow, like a student loan or a mortgage. Bad debt is used for things that don't add value, like luxury clothes on a high-interest credit card. The key is to use credit wisely. Your credit score is like a financial reputation. It affects your ability to get loans, rent homes, or even get jobs. So pay on time, keep credit usage low, and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Saving is not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Set up an emergency fund, enough to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Then save for your goals, a car, a home, or starting a business. Pro tip, automate your savings. Treat it like a bill you pay to your future self. You'll be shocked at how fast your savings grow when you do it consistently. Saving is great, but investing is where the real growth happens. Think of it this way. Savings protects your money, but investing grows it. Start simple, like index funds, which spread your money across many companies. Or try ETFs, which are like bundles of investments. The earlier you start, the better, thanks to something called compound interest. It's the secret weapon of the wealthy. Your money earns interest, and that interest earns more interest. Money isn't magic, it's a skill. The more you learn, the more you earn, and the more freedom you have. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Subscribe to Finance Made Easy and take control of your future